If you wanting to stay in Singapore and you are on a medium or lower budget, and as you know, Singapore is an expensive place to stay, especially for hotels, this video is for you. Introducing you guys, the hotel name is Utel. And how to get here? Okay. When you are getting out from MRT station, you alight in Orchard and you are heading direction to Scotts Road or Show House. Okay, you are walking now into the underpass and you are heading to Show House, going up to the escalator. And once you are up, you will see this Isitan. This is Scotts Road. Also, this is a shopping mall. And you are looking at the Scotts. This is actually Orchard Road. Right now, you are looking at Orchard Road, and this is Isitan. And next to this building, Isitan, you walk and you will see shopping gallery. You go inside and you will also see TCC. So you walk through all the way to the end. You will be seeing this escalator. The escalator is approaching right now, and you go to the right. You walk to the right side, and once you walk to the right side, you will see the direction you tell. So you will use this is the elevator up, and this is the elevator will bring you up to the second level. There we go, and there it is. So we'll bring you up to the hotel right now. And tada! So this is the entrance of the hotel if you are accessing it via Scotts Road or Orchard Road. So this is now the entrance of the hotel. Alternatively, you can also just drive in here with the taxi. It will alight you just in front of the hotel. And in here you can check in like a kiosk. You can self check in, and you can also self check out. There is a process that the machine will guide you through how to do the procedure. So it's like how you check in on a budget airline. Is very high tech. This hotel just been made or done or ready for occupancy since sometime in October 2017. The rooms, I was staying at 19th floor. Okay, there we go. Welcome to Utel. So this is the bed. I paid for queen size, and this is 160 Singapore dollars. And the room, I could say, is very comfortable. The bed and everything. They even have a kettle where you could make your own coffee or tea, and there is also a refrigerator, and also of course there is a light, natural light coming in into the room. And though the room is very small, but it doesn't feel like it's small, and you will love it here because as you can see, it's just very near to the other places where you are access to go to anywhere in Singapore, because especially when you are in Singapore, you want to be in the city center, as the accessibility to go to Sentosa, for example, or Marina Basin will be just easier for you. And before I forgot, don't forget to come down under the building of Show House or Isitan Mall, because there is this place called Food Republic which offers variety of food that you may love. You have to try all the food here when you come to Singapore, as this is authentic Singapore. And of course, there are available other foods like international salad, steak, and so on in affordable way. And I hope you like this video, guys, and also please do not forget to use the link below if you happen to book this hotel or any other hotels in Singapore. And I am very much thankful because I'll be getting some commission, and it's not much, just a few dollars, but it will help me keep going on doing my videos. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy your stay in Singapore.